I'm going to pick one samosa pastry and place the side that was on the pan on the top side. Fold enough, just like that. Fold the other side and make sure that the edges are aligned. Pick up my paste for gluing. Spread a little bit of the paste on top, and the pastry should be looking like this at this point. So I'm going to place aside, and then I'm going to show you several more. Once more, you're going to place on the side that was in the pan while cooking the pastry. Next, I'm going to fold in half. Make sure you fold the pastry in the center of the triangle. Pick the other side, and just like that, you have a very perfect. Next, I'm going to spread some of that paste like that, and yeah, everything is good to go. Place aside and pick one more.